Our third value is impact. That's what this is about.
Today, we're going to go give back to people in the community and the surrounding area, and that is one of our favorite things to do.
What is all this? Where'd we get those things?
Yeah, I think the city. Yeah.
The city gave those?
The city is getting us prepared. So that's pretty cool, actually.
So they gave us like these grabber things. I've always wanted a grabber thing.
It's your souvenir. You don't.
We should have wars later with these.
Watchers don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it. Let's get it done. You step it up a notch. We can do it. We can get it done. 'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch. If
I guess this is a section of road that very few people come and ever clean up here. So they sent us on this road to do this. It's kind of cool. I mean, I feel like you're doing something for the community. It is quite the switch it up thing to bring snacks to the fire department. Fun fact, first responders, our son-in-law is Johnson County Sheriff in Kansas City, and he trains other sheriff new recruits. And then on the fire department side, we have really good friends in the fire department. So first responders are like, here.
City did, so we just wanted to stop by and say, you know, this isn't our community, but we thank you for taking care of your community.
Absolutely, thank you.
So let's get to it. Let's get it done. Let's step it up a notch. We can do it. We can get it done. And doers don't watch.
So we are here to drop off the donations that the crew brought over the weekend to just help give people a fresh start in when they move and transition out of homelessness into their next fresh start. So we made some baskets, got some new pillows, cleaning supplies, that sort of thing. Our crew is just amazingly generous, and for that I just wanted to say thanks to the crew. You guys do a great job of taking care of communities when we're out and about.